Well, everything about this article is really loaded, very much so. So you can look at the language in the title, the state of climate science, no justification for extreme policies. And that's kind of a loaded way of saying that anybody who wants to have policies to limit global warming is an extremist. They're crazy. That's right off the top. And then even the first line, hysteria. You know what hysteria is, people just going crazy over global warming is now so pervasive in the federal government. Everybody in the federal government is hysterical. Not just the Obama administration's energy and environmental policies, but also those of nearly every federal agency. They've all gone crazy. And then you look to the footnote. So that footnote should support craziness. It should support hysteria. And if you were doing responsible work, your footnote obviously would have something to do with your main idea. Why else back it up with a footnote?